Starting around 14 November 2023, Theta organization essentially is exchanging at 93 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.09% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta has a truly all-out market cap of $926,396,712, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $24,112,726, which for the most part is very critical. This really makes Theta organization, Theta, especially positioning at 53 in the digital money market, which essentially is very huge. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Theta organization truly be genuinely worth in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Is Theta organization a kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is very critical. Will Theta cost truly outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These in a real sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they truly thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense cross a fundamentally normal value level of $1.04, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to truly be $1. Which basically is genuinely huge. Besides, Theta can sort of arrive at a very greatest value level of $1.08, which for the most part is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation November 2023, with respect to November 2023, Theta organization cost essentially is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a kind of the least cost of 93 cents, which generally shows that will Theta cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in a real sense thought. The Theta cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest cost of $1.04, with the typical expected cost around $1.01 in an essentially enormous manner. Theta value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Theta organization basically is gauged to generally be at around a fundamentally least worth of $1 in a significant manner. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a really limit of $1.08, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.04 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Theta organization fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been certainly diminished by 4.37% in its for the most part current worth, showing how might Theta cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we explicitly analyze the kind of current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. From very most recent 7 days, the Theta by and large was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.93% in a genuinely huge manner. Theta organization truly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how these fundamentally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which generally is genuinely critical. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta basically diminished by 20.000%, wiping out an incredible pretty normal amount of 23 cents from its essentially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent basically purchase a valuable open door for all things considered, fast venture. Sort of additional appearance how from kind of most recent 7 days the Theta for the most part was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.93% in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 12.11%. And the cost essentially coursed from a kind of least extremely normal cost of 97 cents to all things considered, greatest for the most part normal cost of $1.06 in the kind of beyond 90 days, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. An absolute most recent 4 months Theta organization in every way that really matters has shown a developing pattern, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Consequently, we generally feel that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, which truly shows that this unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a kind of good truly purchase an open door for especially speedy venture. Exceptionally further appearance how from most certainly most recent 7 days the Theta explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.93% in a genuinely significant manner. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization especially is expanded from 4 months, which basically shows that starting around 14 November 2023 Theta organization by and large is exchanging at 93 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.09% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost in a truly significant manner. The coin in every practical sense is up by 18.61% with the by and large greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around 78 cents and the sort of least typical cost of essentially was around 76 cents in lovely beyond 4 months. Showing how from very most recent 7 days the Theta really was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.93%, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value gauge 2023 facts what will for the most part be Theta organization pretty worth in 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Theta cost for the most part is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $1.08, with exceptionally least cost of $1 toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. Does Theta organization sort of have a future, which sort of is very critical. As far as value, Theta organization explicitly has an exceptional especially potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels, which basically shows that assuming we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, or so they really thought. It for the most part is estimate that Theta will increment in esteem and in every practical sense, enormous way. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can fundamentally stir things up around town, much the greatest cost of $5.36 till 2030, showing that besides Theta can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $1.08. Which for the most part is very critical. Is Theta organization in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Theta network's worth especially is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general really empower cost ascend in a truly significant manner. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any venture, exhibiting that Theta organization, Theta, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Theta organization cost truly is figure to in every practical sense, arrive at an actually the least cost of 93 cents, which truly shows that will Theta cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Very put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to reaching any